Hello, friends. Discover the latest and coolest kitchen gadgets you need to upgrade your cooking game. From smart tools to time-saving devices, these must-haves are perfect for every home chef. Watch now to see them in action and make your kitchen life easier. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more gadget reviews. So friends, let's start the video. Onion holder. The Javar onion holder is a remarkable addition to any kitchen, embodying convenience and versatility in a sleek stainless steel design. Measuring 3.7 inches in length and just 0.6 inches wide, its compact size allows it to fit seamlessly into various kitchen setups while remaining easy to handle. Weighing only 0.08 kilograms, 2.82 ounces, it is lightweight yet robust, ensuring durability during use. Constructed from high-quality stainless steel, the blade of the onion holder features a round shape that aids in achieving precise cuts. This manual operation tool excels in slicing not only onions, but also a variety of vegetables and fruits, making it a multifunctional kitchen assistant. Its ergonomic design allows for comfortable handling, significantly reducing the risk of cuts or slips during slicing. One of the standout features of the Javar onion holder is its dishwasher-safe capability, making post-preparation cleanup a breeze. This practical aspect means that busy cooks can spend less time on chores and more time enjoying their culinary creations. Additionally, the holder's silver hue complements any kitchen aesthetic, adding a modern touch. Meat and potato masher. The meat and potato masher is a versatile kitchen tool designed for effortless mashing and mixing. Its sturdy, beveled blades break down ground meat, potatoes, and more with ease. Made from durable, heat-resistant materials, it's perfect for use on stovetops and non-stick cookware. The ergonomic handle provides a comfortable grip, reducing hand strain during use. Easy to clean and dishwasher safe, it simplifies meal prep and cleanup. Perfect for creating smooth mashed potatoes or evenly cooked ground meat, it's a must-have for every kitchen. Vegetable chopper. The once-for-all safe mandolin slicer 5-in-1 is a versatile kitchen tool designed for safe, efficient slicing and chopping. Its innovative safety design keeps your hands protected while effortlessly slicing vegetables, fruits, and more. With 5 interchangeable blades, it offers multiple cutting styles, including julienne, dicing, and slicing, for all your culinary needs. The compact design includes a built-in container to catch food, keeping your workspace tidy. Made with durable, food-grade materials, it ensures long-lasting performance and easy cleaning. Non-slip feet provide stability during use, while the ergonomic handle ensures comfortable operation. Perfect for meal prep, it saves time and effort in the kitchen. Lightweight and portable, it's ideal for small spaces or on-the-go use. Simplify cooking with this all-in-one, user-friendly slicer. OXO Good Grips Large Salad Spinner. The OXO Good Grips Large Salad Spinner stands out as an essential tool for anyone looking to enhance their salad preparation experience. With a practical design and user-friendly features, this salad spinner simplifies the process of washing and drying greens, ensuring that your salads are crisp and fresh. Measuring 6 into 10.5 into 10.5 inches and weighing 2.5 pounds, it strikes an ideal balance between capacity and convenience. The spinner holds a substantial amount of leafy greens, making it suitable for both individual use and larger family meals. Its compact size allows it to fit comfortably on countertops without taking up too much space. New Wave Brio Air Fryer Oven. The New Wave Brio Air Fryer Oven is an impressive kitchen appliance that successfully combines functionality with convenience, making it suitable for a wide range of culinary applications. With a robust capacity of 15.5 quarts, it is designed to cater to families, allowing you to cook larger portions without compromising on quality or flavor. The sleek black stainless steel design not only enhances the aesthetic of your kitchen, but also ensures durability, standing up to the rigors of daily use. Oil dispenser. The OXO Good Grips 12-aughts Precision Pour Glass Oil Dispenser is a standout addition to any kitchen, blending functionality with an aesthetically pleasing design. Constructed from high-quality glass, this oil dispenser is not only sturdy, but also offers a clear view of the contents, allowing users to easily gauge how much oil remains. With a capacity of 355 milliliters, it strikes the perfect balance between size and usability, making it suitable for everyday cooking needs without taking up excess space. The dispenser features a stainless steel spout designed for precision pouring, ensuring that every drop is utilized without messy spills. This thoughtful design is particularly beneficial for those who prefer to control the amount of oil they use, whether they are sautéing vegetables or drizzling oil over a salad. The 8.7 AU into 2.76 H dimensions make it a compact option that fits comfortably on kitchen shelves or countertops. Furthermore, the bottle is dishwasher safe, simplifying the cleaning process and making it a practical choice for busy OXO Brew Conical Burr Coffee Grinder. The OXO Brew Conical Burr Coffee Grinder delivers precision and convenience for the perfect cup of coffee. Its durable stainless steel conical burrs provide uniform grinding, enhancing flavor and aroma. With 15 grind settings plus micro adjustments, it's ideal for everything from espresso to French press. The one-touch start timer remembers your last setting, simplifying your coffee routine. The 12-ounce hopper holds plenty of beans and features a UV blocking tint to preserve freshness. Its static-fighting grounds container prevents messes and holds up to 110 grams, enough for 12 cups. The grinder's sleek, compact design fits effortlessly into any kitchen. Easy to clean and maintain, it ensures long-lasting performance. Perfect for coffee enthusiasts, it offers consistent, high-quality results every time. Elevate your coffee experience with the OXO Brew Conical Burr Coffee Grinder. OXO Good Grips Bench Scraper and Chopper. The OXO Good Grips Bench Scraper and Chopper is a versatile tool designed to simplify kitchen tasks. Crafted with a durable stainless steel blade, it easily chops, slices, and scrapes dough, vegetables, and more. The broad, beveled edge makes scooping and transferring ingredients quick and efficient. Its comfortable, non-slip handle ensures a secure grip, even with wet hands. Measurement markings etched into the blade provide precision for portioning and cutting dough. Lightweight and compact, it's easy to handle and store. The sturdy construction ensures long-lasting performance for everyday use. Dishwasher safe, it's simple to clean, saving you time in the kitchen. Ideal for baking, cooking, and meal prep, this bench scraper adds versatility to your tools. Elevate your efficiency with the OXO Good Grips Bench Scraper and Chopper. Over-the-Sink Dish Drainer Drying Rack. The Over-the-Sink Dish Drainer Drying Rack by Levad stands out as a thoughtful solution for maximizing kitchen space while enhancing functionality. Crafted from durable stainless steel, this rack combines longevity with a sleek black finish that adds a modern touch to any kitchen decor. With dimensions of 11 inches in depth, 37.6 inches in width, and a height of 33.35 inches, it offers ample room for drying dishes and utensils, effectively utilizing the often overlooked area above the sink. Ninja NC301 Creamy Ice Cream Maker. The Ninja NC301 Creamy Ice Cream Maker is a versatile kitchen appliance designed to make delicious frozen treats at home. With its powerful motor and unique Creamify technology, it transforms frozen bases into smooth, creamy ice cream, sorbet, gelato, and more. The unit features 7 one-touch programs, including options for sorbet, milkshake, and smoothie bowls. It comes with a 1.5-quart bowl capacity, perfect for making multiple servings of your favorite frozen desserts. The machine's easy-to-clean design ensures hassle-free maintenance, and its compact size makes it ideal for any kitchen. Whether you're craving indulgent ice cream or healthier alternatives, the Creamy delivers restaurant-quality results with minimal effort. The innovative blade system ensures consistent texture and prevents icy crystals. The Creamy Ice Cream Maker is compatible with a variety of frozen bases, offering endless customization possibilities. Its sleek, modern design fits seamlessly into any kitchen decor. Enjoy homemade frozen treats in the comfort of your own home with the Ninja NC301 Creamy Ice Cream Maker.